What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
I'm having a hard time charging it. I tried 4 different cables and it's having a hard time charging.
Yeah.
Is there any way that you could fix it?
It's not going all the way in. Wow. Don't worry. I got you. Wow.
Wow, what is that?
Looks like lint, buddy. Damn. Your phone is ready, sir. Let me charge it. Now it's charging. You are good to go.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So what's the damage?
You know, that's on me, sir. It was just a simple, like, small lint that you had in the pocket, probably. Yep.
Are you gonna give some money or something?
Oh, yeah.
You know, you don't have
There you go.
Oh,
Please,
my
thank you.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.